ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. Respected teachers and their classmates, Imam Hussain, may Allah be pleased with him, was the beloved grandson of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He was the son of Hazrat Ali and Fatima Zahra and the younger brother of Imam Hassan. Imam Hussain was known for his piety, bravery, truthfulness and love for justice. The Prophet, peace be upon him, used to say, Hussain is from me and I am from Hussain. He stood up against oppression and falsehood in the land of Karbala. He sacrificed his life, his family and his followers to defend Islam and truth. Even though he was surrounded by enemies, he never gave up on the path of resistance. He appeared on the battlefield and stayed patient even in the face of death. His martyrdom teaches us importance of his over what is right. Imam Hussain named a symbol of resistance and unwavering for faith. Millions of people around the world remembers him with love and respect, kind film and truth. May Allah make us among the true lovers of Imam Hussain. Assalamu alaikum.